If you're looking for a personal loan, should you consider SoFi? I'm going to explain SoFi personal loans, the pros and cons. This is not an advertisement for SoFi, and SoFi did not sponsor this video. So, let's get started with the things you should know about SoFi personal loans. SoFi is a company that offers banking, investing, mortgages, credit cards, and personal loans. The company was founded in 2011 to drive financial services through technology, so they conduct all of their business online. SoFi went public in 2021 and is traded on the NASDAQ. How much of a personal loan can I get from SoFi? SoFi offers personal loans from $5,000 to $100,000. In 2022, the average personal loan from SoFi was around $30,000. So, SoFi definitely offers loans that will meet most people's needs. However, how much you can be approved for will depend on your personal financial situation. What is the minimum credit score for a SoFi personal loan? SoFi will look at your credit score and other factors found in your credit report when deciding whether to approve you for a loan. SoFi does not say what credit score is needed to be approved. But as a guess, I would say SoFi is unlikely to approve people with credit scores below about 650, and you might need a score as high as 680 to even be considered. You could be approved with a score below that, and you could still be declined with a score above that. They don't make decisions based only on your credit score, so this is just a guideline. What minimum income do I need for a SoFi personal loan? The loan amount that SoFi will approve you for will be based on your ability to repay. They will consider how much income you have, but also how much of that income is left over after all your bills are paid. If you make $40,000 per year, you're probably not going to qualify for a $100,000 personal loan. All this is to say that the only way to know for sure whether you would be approved is to apply. Does SoFi do a hard credit pull? SoFi only does a soft inquiry to check for eligibility, so applying won't hurt your score. If you're interested, you should go ahead and apply. If you are approved and you take the loan, then SoFi will do a hard credit pull. A soft credit pull will not impact your credit score. If you don't get what you need, you can go over to the Yukon project and apply with our network of over 40 lenders. Our network of lenders will also do soft credit checks, so there's still no impact to your credit score. We show you all of the lenders that pre-approve you and what loans you qualify for. What is the APR on a SoFi personal loan? Currently, SoFi's interest rates range from about 9% up to 26%, but these rates can change over time. The rates are some of the best in the market for personal loans right now. Keep in mind that all lending right now is fairly expensive due to the high rates set by the Fed. Because these loans are unsecured, they will have a higher cost than a mortgage or even an auto loan. What fees does SoFi charge on their personal loans? SoFi doesn't charge origination fees or prepayment penalties. They don't even charge late fees on their personal loans. This is a big plus in my book. Fees are where some lenders hide extra costs. By not charging fees, you can be confident in the total cost of the loan. How long is a typical SoFi personal loan term? SoFi's personal loans have terms that range from 2 to 7 years. They will allow you to choose a term that works well for you, but they will likely suggest shorter terms for lower dollar amounts and the longest terms for larger loans. Short terms for larger loans can make the payment very high and hard to manage in your budget. But because they don't charge a prepayment penalty, you can always pay extra every month to pay the loan off early. How fast is a SoFi loan? If you have all the personal information handy, applying for a SoFi personal loan may only take you a few minutes. The approval process could take a few days and maybe even a week. But once you're approved, you'll get your money quickly. SoFi offers same-day funding once your loan is approved. How will a SoFi personal loan affect my credit score? Applying for a SoFi loan will not affect your credit score at all because they only do a soft credit pull. If you accept the loan, your credit report will receive a hard credit pull, which could affect your credit score for a few months. What the actual loan will do is a more complicated question. The loan's going to affect your age of credit, your total debt, and possibly your credit utilization. SoFi will report your payments to the credit bureaus, so that means on-time payments will help your score and late payments will hurt it. Here's a pro tip. Shopping around for a personal loan will not hurt your credit score. There's no harm in checking with several companies to see who will give you the best terms. If you want to check with up to 40 lenders all at the same time, you can visit the Yukon project. I'll put a link in the description below. What can I use a SoFi personal loan for? SoFi does not need to know how you will use the money they lend you. The loans are unsecured, which means they aren't attached to your house or car. However, some of the most common reasons for taking a SoFi loan are debt consolidation, home improvement, travel, weddings, and financial emergencies. Here's the insider's tip. In most cases, when a company talks about what the loan is for, it's just marketing language. Lenders don't care what you're using the money for. It's called a personal loan because it's for any personal expense you choose. SoFi doesn't decide whether to lend you money based on how you will use the money, just whether they think you can repay the loan. One more insider tip. Take your time when choosing a loan. Stop. Do the math. Look over the terms and conditions. Make sure that the loan solves your problem without creating another one. If you're unsure, seek professional advice. SoFi is a well-established lender that offers unsecured personal loans from $5,000 to $100,000. They have competitive interest rates and they don't charge fees. Thanks for watching our video today. As always, if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and tell your friends. If you have questions, post them in the comments below or come visit us at theyukonproject.com.